Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. And in the credit card world, time is actually money, and taking a right decision at the right time actually makes the difference between you earning zero and you earning a lot. For example, 4 days ago I uploaded a video about how to get the Amex MRCC membership rewards credit card from your Platinum Reserve card. Around a month back, I told you how to get the Platinum Travel card from your Platinum Reserve card. However, people who have not received those cards, or they have not decided to get those cards, they basically missed out a chance when Amex has already paused issuance of their all good basic cards. So this may be the last option for you, because in this video I'm going to tell you how you can get the American Express SmartEarn credit card, and this is basically one of the entry level cards which you can actually get right now. However, not everyone is eligible. For example, me with my MRCC card is not eligible to downgrade to this American Express SmartEarn card. I have tried with my the earlier MRCC card, it is not eligible. I have tried with when I used the Platinum Travel card. When I received it, I reactivated my deactivated card, and then I tried it. It was also not eligible. So I'm not very sure that you will be. But is it worth taking a chance? Definitely yes. The reason is as follows: because even if you are not getting this card, you can actually earn a few points on the way. So what you need to do is, I'm going to give you a description and a referral link in the description, where you will get the option to apply for a American Express Platinum Reserve credit card. With that, you will get 11,000 bonus membership reward points when you spend 30,000 within 90 days. However, you don't need to wait for 90 days. You can just, on the day the card is arrived, you spend the 30,000 rupees on maybe Shopwise, get a lot of vouchers, you get 3x reward points on that. So for 30,000 rupees, you basically get something around $1,800 MR points. Apart from that, you get this 11,000 bonus membership reward point, and because you are using my referral, you will get 4,000 extra membership reward points as well. So you basically get 16,800 membership reward points in the day you receive this card. You don't get the annual charges instantly. It takes some time. So after that, you just need to activate there's one added bonus that you can actually activate your the memberships which it comes with. For example, it comes with an Accor Plus Explorer membership, Taj Epicure and Easy Diner Prime. You activate all these memberships, and then you just downgrade using the link I have given in the description to the SmartEarn credit card. The SmartEarn credit card. So what happens now is, because if the annual fees is not charged for the Platinum Reserve card, you actually don't pay anything for it, but you get all the reward points which I just told you. You get the memberships. Then you downgrade, and you get you spend 10,000 rupees in the first 90 days. You get 500 cashback. The annual fees is 495 plus GST. You get accelerated rewards on these many cards. You get renewal waiver on 40,000 spends only. So it's basically a free card, and you get the membership reward points on Amazon, Flipkart, Uber, Book My Show, Zomato, Is My Trip. So it's a very basic card, and you keep getting 500 cashback on 1.2 lakh, 1.8 lakh and 2.4 lakh in the card membership year. So it's a very decent card. I actually wanted to have this card over the MRCC card, but I was not able to get it. So at the end of the day, if you are eligible, you can get this card. All is good for you, because you can't get the MRCC or the Platinum Travel card as of now. So if this works, it is good. Now, what happens if it doesn't work? So in that case, what you need to do is the amount of MR points which you have received right now, you need to transfer it to your Marriott account. So you get for 16,800 Marriott points, you get 16,800 Marriott points. That will give you one free night, and you ask them to close the card. It is as simple as that. As soon as you put up the request, they are liable to close the card. And even if they have, like, the most of the people have this question, what if they charge you for this? So even if they have charged you for this card, and you want to close this card within the first month, you can actually do it. And if they have charged it while downgrading to the SmartEarn card, you don't have to do much. You get the remaining fees for the rest of the year on pro rata basis. However, if it doesn't work, just close the card before the fees is charged, and you are done. Even if the fee is charged, you can ask for a closer request after transferring for your point and everything else, and it should work just fine. There is no such issues. And the worst case scenario, like if you are a very weak at heart and you can't take this risk, so you are basically spending 11,800 rupees to get all these benefits. You use it for a year and then close it down. It is as simple as that, because this is not a card which you continuously keep using. So this is my video. This is the last chance you might have to get a low-end American Express card. On our Hindi channel, the members only videos are live. The same is uploaded on the English channel as well with English subtitles. So if you are interested in being a member, go and check them out. The latest video is about buying gold and hitting your milestones on your credit cards. It's a very decent, I love the video because it will help me reach the 15 lakh milestone on Atlas this time around. Apart from that, I have uploaded a few videos like how to track your vouchers, how to check the best reward rates. So all these videos are available on this channel's members only video. You can also join the Hindi channel as well. It's as simple as that. It's a collection of videos which is available outside. However, when you join this, you get access to the WhatsApp group as well, where you get for $199 you get a month's access, plus you get one-on-one chat time with me for 15 minutes or so, where we can discuss all about your doubts, and you get access to the voucher trade-off group along with the other groups, where you can actually share your doubt and sell off your existing vouchers if you are interested in. So thanks a lot for watching. Thanks for the support. Take care. Bye bye.